welcome to Wild Money Entertainments. And if you haven't been here before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees, and hi, viewers. Hi. Well, today I'm opening up a package. I don't have a box, so I can't use my knife. Let's tear the package. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. These are magnetic safety locks. And this is to keep various cabinets and drawers safe from children. So, I'm going to let you see how it looks. And then after I install it, then I'll let you see how it looks on my cabinets. And here we go. This is a set of 12. So you get 12 locks and 2 keys. And you know what this is good for? It stops the toddlers. You know how they love to go in the cabinets? It stops and locks them out of the cabinet, so they can't get in there and get into stuff that they don't need to get into. So let me show you what it comes with. Okay. These are the strips. Okay. And these got adhesive on this side. There's the clamp on this side. And it has a lot of pieces. This right here is the magnet. This. See? It's the magnet. I'll turn it over this way. See? It sticks to everything. And it's a pretty strong magnet. So you have this, 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 and this for one cabinet. Let's see here. And they also give you extra double-sided sticky tape. There's no screws. There's no bolts that you have to deal with. And it comes with a little guide. And the guide comes in many languages. And it's just basically insert into cabinet, drawer, or cupboard. Keep children safe away from dangers. Unlocking it with this powerful magnetic key. So these are the keys because they only came 2. So these are the keys right here. And these are cool because you just can keep them on the refrigerator. And when you have to unlock these, okay, you can easily just snatch it from the refrigerator and magnetic unlock it. Okay. What I do like about it is that you don't have to redo your cabinets. So for them grandmothers out there that have their grandkids over, and their grandkids is at that age where they want to learn everything with their hands and go into the cabinets, this is great because you don't have to screw in anything or redo your cabinets or anything. And when you need to unlock it, you just grab this from the refrigerator, hit the magnet, and unlock it. I am going to give you a quick demonstration. So technically, you only need 2 devices. You're going to take this, put this in your cabinet inside, take this, tape it to the top of your cabinet. So this is the piece that it will lock onto. And then you will take the magnet, and that's how you get in and out. And we'll be back because I will show you how it looks and how easy it is to install. See you soon. This is the tab. It reaches out about a little inch. Magnetic piece. And you move it over here, and that's how it opens. And then when you close it, it just locks. Now I left a gap here so you'll be able to see it better on how you can't get in. But once you put this magnetic piece here, it's able to open up, because this is what happens.